Howdy y'all and welcome. Giving y'all a short weather update today here on February 27th, 2024. You can see we got an update on the severe weather threat today here out east. And we still got some winter weather going on out west. Getting out here in a little bit. Let's go ahead and take a look at the severe weather risk today. As there is an upgrade to the tornado risk area. There's a 5% chance that has gotten extended further south into Kentucky. More of it, Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio is included in this as well. Now, even though if you're under the 2% low wind threat, tornadoes can still happen on low wind threat days, so don't get caught off guard. Be hyper weather aware today if you live in these green zones as well. Damaging wind threat, same story, got extended further south this morning as well. And as far as large hail threat goes, the 15% hazard area got extended further south. So definitely be hyper weather aware today, as all significant hazards are going to be possible. Now, of course, tomorrow that risk moves further southeast, but let's go ahead and get into the timing of when you could expect the worst of the severe weather, as we're going to take a look at the HRRR model. Keep in mind that date time is up here if you ever want to keep track. So we take a look at the composite reflectivity. We're going to zoom in here so y'all can see your little towns and counties. As we push this forward, we're going to have some little rain showers this morning, non-severe of course. And it's going to start to clear out a little bit, and the atmosphere is going to be unstable out there, but then the storms are going to start to ramp up as we head into right around 9 to 10 o'clock. See, there's a lot of clusters out there. Going to bring some large hail, gusty winds, and some pretty strong tornadoes, as we'll get into the parameters here in a few. And of course, this is going to get more organized as we head further into the night. A lot more hail cores as well with this. Right around midnight, it starts traversing further towards the southeast down by Lexington. So watch out if you live in Lexington right around 2 o'clock in the morning. Could be waking up by hail and high winds. As we take a look at what the wind gusts are going to be looking like with this system, right around 9, 10 o'clock, wind's going to start to get ramped up. Right around 11 o'clock actually. Right around 30 to 40 mile an hour wind gusts with this. But then as it starts traversing further towards the southeast by Lexington, expect right around 70, almost 70 mile an hour wind gusts. So definitely prepare for power outages and just prepare for any trees that go down in your properties. And I'm going to show y'all what the temperatures are going to look like, because this is going to play a huge role in the severe weather aspect today. And as we get the day started, the temperatures are going to be up into the mid 70s, especially down here by Missouri. Going to feel these nasty storms as we head into right around 7 o'clock. And then that cold front's going to start to come through. As you can see, the warm and cold line right here, it's going to get nasty, y'all. And I'm also going to show y'all something called the significant tornadic parameters. Actually, I'm going to show y'all the surface-based CAPE, actually. This is basically thunderstorm fuel. You see, it's really going to be getting ramped up at right around 1 o'clock. A lot of energy out there to deal with. 8, 9 o'clock, still dealing with that significant energy. Around 800 to 900, almost 1,000 joules per kilogram. So definitely a lot of energy to play with. And as we take a look at the significant tornadic parameters, this is basically puts all the ingredients for tornadoes and puts it all in one run where you could possibly see a tornado at night. Now that don't mean a tornado is going to happen within that vicinity. It just means that conditions are definitely favorable. And as you can see, definitely off the charts. It's almost a 4 in some places out of 10. So definitely pretty much high chance for tornadoes. Definitely stay on guard, stay on high alert, as this is going to be a nocturnal tornadic event, and this is going to affect the Williams Weather headquarters as well. But most likely we won't be able to see anything, so that's a bummer, unfortunately. Definitely hyper weather aware, know where to go when that tornado warning goes off. Storm shelter, basement, closet, interior room. If the house is not safe enough for a tornado, then escape, of course. Go to the nearest building that is safe. But good thing is, after today, we're going to be severe clear, as you can see, with a low wind threat for tornadoes, low wind threat for wind. Now that we know the severe weather is today, let's go and take a look at the winter weather aspect. You see there's some winter storm warnings and watches out there. Winter storm warnings go into effect through this evening. Y'all can read this if you ever want to. Winter storm watch, that obviously goes out through Thursday evening. There's also some winter storm watches and warnings up here as well. And to take a look at this, we're going to take a look at Weather Bell for this. Now keep in mind that date time's up here if you want to keep track. You can see we're going to have some heavy rain out in the northwest today through tonight. A lot of heavy snow occurring over here by Idaho and Montana, and down here by New Mexico as well. And then more snow is going to come through by Thursday afternoon. This is going to most likely turn into a winter storm advisory and winter storm warning as that pushes through by Thursday. Definitely something to keep our eye on. As we take a look at the snow totals, we can see that about a foot of snow is going to be possible by Thursday. Now, I know this is way ahead of time. This is not anything related to today, but definitely something to prepare for. Go out there, grab that bread and milk if you can. If there's any on the shelves by Thursday, so I'm saying prepare now for that. And be careful if you're out on the roads and enjoy the ski slopes as well. Now, other than severe weather and winter weather going on, we've got to look at the temperatures, of course. You can see the cold air out west and the warm air out east is what's fueling that severe weather threat. And that's going to get drastically cold after today, y'all. So don't get used to this warm snap just yet. Wintertime ain't over. Springtime's coming, but wintertime ain't over, y'all. As we take a look at the precip for the rest of the country, you can see that really much of the eastern part of the country is going to be getting in on some sort of precip today and tomorrow as that system starts to traverse towards the east. A lot more snow up here by Wisconsin and Michigan. A lot of heavy winds as well. See how close those isobars are together? Definitely going to be a nasty storm system. So that's your weather update today, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this little short forecast. I might do this more often. I don't know yet. Just post in the comments below if you want to see more of this. I'm just testing this out, see if y'all like it. Or y'all like the written out version. Or if y'all want to see this on YouTube. Because I did do a YouTube video yesterday and a Rumble video, so go check those out. I have links to those on this post, so just go check those videos out for me, please, and thank you. And I will have a spring outlook video up on Thursday. I'm going to be preparing for this after I get this video edited and uploaded for y'all. Stay tuned for that. So I hope y'all enjoy the rest of your day today, and until next time, never stop forecasting.